Some of them obsessed bad. Some of them bad mind. People, welcome back in you guys. When me I say them obsessed, them spend 6 years of them lifetime wasting time on Dana, not achieving nothing at all in America. And them still a waste time up to today. Now people, I am talking about none other than Cracker Teeth. Guys, yesterday, I called in Pamplanca Boss Live and I was talking to her and people, and trust me, there was Laura somewhere upon the live or somewhere listening. Here she goes now, post something on her page about Dana. And I'm saying to myself, say, Jesus, peace. Obsession is real. Obsession. No normal people. Them woman here would hurt you in your sleep if them get a chance. People are 5-6 years now, you know. Laura, you know. They're on the same topic, you know. They're on the same topic. And I do not know what kind of results she are wait upon. Sometimes I wonder if Laura are blind. Sometimes I wonder if she have some issues. Because why are you spending so many times talking about Dana and I spread all kind of lies on your page and I make money off of reels and all kind of things? What does it gain you? Or it make you better? When you make a post over Dana over your page and you make some people when they have no sense come and believe what you're saying, you know what you're doing? Come on, speak truth. You need to come out and tell the world what Dana do you. Come and know say Dana no do you nothing at all. You just have a dirty heart towards the woman. I don't want the lady success. You don't want the charity thing for yourself. You don't want the baking thing. But in a workout face, you're upset. You still carry feelings. Or to my knowledge, Dana never been in a house for one of your family members them. So you still carry belly same way. You still carry ears of belly. Come on, man. Speak truth, people. Speak truth. What is wrong with Lorraine obsession? Anybody at all big up Dana and talk with Dana, she hate them. She hate them. You must not big up Dana and you must tell the people them say Dana is a SCAMMA. You see me? And then they will feel good. I mean I say, yo, them people not have no sense. These people not have no sense on social media. Them fool. Them workless. How can you spend so many of your time doing live on top of live? You and Michelle Bradshaw and others are in the group mash up. You still spread rumors and you spread all kind of things about Dana. What does it gain you? What does it gain you to fight the woman? It's because of social media money and they may see you put by your things sometimes a Facebook now pay you. That's a lie. You're getting social media both off YouTube and Facebook. Just talking about Dana. Because you know what you're doing. Because you know if you don't talk about Dana, you're not getting the views for your page. You're not getting the likes. The people in your page don't like Dana. So that's why you bring Dana over there. And all the woman that you say she can sue you, you still do the same thing over. You still make the same kind of thing happen over. And I'm saying, what's wrong with Cracker Teeth? How can you spend so many times when you have 24 hours and you spend out 10 hours out of the day talking about Dana? That put food on your table? I guess so. I guess Dana is feeding you and your family. Because if you can spend so many hours upon Dana, that means say Dana I take care of your family. That means say Dana is a big deal to you. That means say Dana is a big threat to you. That means say you cannot do without Dana. That means say Dana is your boss. Yeah, Anna God your boss. You keep inspiration worship, but Anna God your boss. Dana your boss because you bow to her. You bow to her. And the woman live her life in America, the man in your backyard. And you have to quit yourself. You have to quit yourself. Because you are the next stagnant one. You're the America. Nothing for sure. You don't live in a house for yourself. And I doubt you ever care for yourself. But guess what? You people tend to want bring down people on social media. I'm saying, why you doing all these things over the years? Are you still not getting through? Are you still spreading all kind of lies? What does it gain you? You see me? What does it teach you? When Dana help anybody, you have issues with it. Yeah. Whenever anybody at all call you on Dana life and bigging up Dana, you don't like it. You know, like nobody at all who associate themselves with Dana. You see me? And that made me come to my knowledge that this lady is obsessed with Dana, and is like she wouldn't mind have Dana for herself, in my opinion. Because she can't so obsess. She cannot obsess. You know, when you watch some movie people and you know you have somebody who is in the movie and it's almost at the more for themselves, so they may hurt anybody at all around you just to get you. That's the obsession regarding Lorraine. Lorraine want Dana for herself. Because this obsession is too much. You see me? It's way out and right now. And when it question themselves and ask, what is Lorraine's goal? What is her objective? Why she's keep on telling Dana to swear? What does she have in store more than pure lies? See me? And I'm saying to myself that this lady no have no sense at all. See me? And if I mean like them people, if I mean in Lorraine's shoes right now, may I humble myself and just call it a day. See me? Because when the time come and then I decide to sue them and thing, what will they gain? One again. Just forget sue and that's it. And as I always say, when Laura gets sued, she could have to sell her house. Yeah. Her man, or should I say her husband house, however you want to call it. Because she spent too much time on social media and her mouth and get her in a problem. Because guess what? According to she big, bad and bold. See me? But that's why she be like that, because she have the people them over her page, them over her back, and them there fear and things. So that's why she moves so. You never see smoke with her fire and thing people. She knows so she come out and talk something about Dana. The people them are gonna react to it and them are gonna talk up the things them. You see me? And them are gonna comment over there and burn out Dana. Yeah. Any vlogger and thing we talk about Dana, Lorraine no like them. Yeah, Lorraine have nothing to do with them. Once they talk about Dana, Lorraine no like them. Automatically. I'm saying to myself, the people, enough is enough, man. Enough. Good amount of years gone now. When you talk about Dana, you still at the Dana case same way. You still I try to find something for come out with. You still I try to find evidence. And there's no evidence. We are just dirty, you're just so obsessed with the lady. How can you be obsessed with one woman where you never be like you want to tear her down? You and your crew want to tear down the lady. No man, people. This lady gone too far. She gone too much now. You see me? What is your objective? Why you hate the lady so much? Like you wouldn't mind the lady give you all her success. Like you wouldn't mind be the one to do all the baking and the donation and all these things. No, sir. It's like a Lorraine the one on the charity people. But trust me, she hate the woman with a passion. And then you say to yourself, say, yo, all them people sleep at night time, you know, say, yo, you talk about Dana so much time. Or you sleep at night time. Or in your mind. Or you carry your mind and think for you sit down every night time or every day time. Whether you go work yes or no, and you talk about Dana. What you gain from that? What you gain from that? People, them women up on social media, man, especially crack it, is a matter of time, man. Wasting precious time talking about people who not busy about you, who not see you. You see me? But Father God will do that. Make them go and waste time on social media and go and talk about Dana and make Dana go and get richer and richer. Damn idiot, them not have no blasted sense. Them don't know that. But watch and so I go on people. Bless upon yourself.